What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team, stand up! Thought I was gonna stand up. I still ain't sober. It's October. We at the top 5 weirdest dominoes. Now, not talking about the pizza, you guys, with your hungry ass. Yeah. I'm talking about the actual dominoes. You know what I'm saying? Now, this was a weird thing I never admitted to people, but I always found it like weirdly satisfying. Like if people would line up certain dominoes and they would just like flick it with one wrist or hit it with a little ball or whatever, and they would like perfectly align it so it falls the same exact way. I think we reacted to something similar like that, but it was like in a comp on my other channel, main channel and everything like that. It was like trick shots and everything like that back in the day. But bro, look, we had the top 5 weirdest dominoes falling game. Check it out. I thought I mudded my TV. There you go. Turn the volume, my bad. I didn't know this was gonna be music. Bro, you did a dominoes with library books? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Now you gotta have a lot of time on your hands to do something like this, bro. Bro, ain't no way, fam. Bro, was this edited? How did you get it up the stairs? Oh, that was nice. Okay. They're just making sure they have the long or short books. Wow, imagine how many books. Bro, do you think that anybody read all those books? Bro, do you know it's a fact? Do you know if you were to read like 25% of those books right there, you would be like literally 5 times smarter, bro? A lot of math there, so. Oh, I like those books with the pictures in it. Less words. Oh, how are they doing it at the same time? Oh my gosh. How? Imagine having to pick all those books up. What the heck? Bro, you can't tell me this ain't fire, bro. If you tell me this ain't fire, bro, she's just casually reading. Who is she reading to? Casper? But look, bro, you can't tell me this ain't fire, bro. You a hater if you... Bro, how? Bro, all right, bro. I need something. Somebody, we need to talk. We need to talk. How in the fuck were they able to get these right here? This is a clutter of... How, bro? We need to talk. How is this possible, bro? What the heck? Imagine if one of them fucked up, bro. Oh, I thought I was gonna be the one right there to mess up. What the hell? So this is the next one. Fam, you did that on the You know they did this during the Roro. This is 100% during the Roro. Ain't no way you're gonna get an empty mall like that unless they're shutting down or some shit. First of all, what are those wooden things? Fam, imagine having that much time. Oh my gosh. Bro, they better got paid good money to do this, bro. What? Bro. Fam. How is this possible? Okay, they missed those ones right there, though, but it's still falling down. It doesn't even matter, though. Bro, are you wasting air? Is that ice cream on the floor? I can't see all clearly because the camera looked like it was recorded with a toenail. But it's like, bro, if that's food on the ground, bro, Capri Suns? Bro, imagine having to re-shelf that, bro. That's not sanitary. Even if it's in the container and everything. Like, I would kind of be pissed. No wonder how some juices sometimes that when you see it in the store, they be having like minor little cracks and it'll be kind of crumbled around. Cause you be like, bro, how do people make this happen, man? Bro, there's no way somebody had the time of the day to do this. What? That is dope, bro. I can't even hate, man. That's just, bro, I don't care, bro. Even if it's just like, so here we're on to the next one. This is number 3. Bro, what? First of all, how do you get that many bricks, bro? You literally stole somebody's Fortnite materials, fam, just to do a fucking dominoes effect. I'm just playing. They ain't do that, but it's like, bro, I would be pissed too doing it outside. And it's like, if it wins, one gust of wind, bro, like, what the heck? Some of those bricks are splitting in half. Fam. How is this even possible, bro? Where are they getting the space to do this? Like, imagine you riding your bike and you just see a dominoes effect going. Like, where is this leading to? No, we got number 4. Oh my gosh, they've upgraded now. We're using people as dominoes. This is classic. Bro, imagine somebody fall wrong on your knee. Oh man, it's wraps. You got both the ACL, MCL, RCL, the ZCL. Like, everything fucked up, bro. Like, I ain't letting nobody fall on my knee, bro. It don't care if I have a mattress on it. I can still. Bro, it's like making me cringe. It's like, bro, you fall wrong on somebody, bro. That's wraps for their knees. Fam, look at this, man. They all got together and woke up that day and was like, we're gonna make a dominoes effect, y'all. Bro, they better have paid everybody in that arena. Like, bro, everybody that did that dominoes, they better have walked out of there with at least 3 racks, bro. At least 3 racks, bro. Fam, like, how do you have this much time in the day? Oh my gosh, that is funny. That is so funny, bro. Turn the instrumental down. There's nobody talking anyway. Could really mutt this whole video, but I always want to have a little background noise. Bro, that is just insane, bro. Like, how do you have that much time? There, bro, and this is beyond Roro restrictions, too. You know damn well this is probably recorded last year or something. Bro, the government, like, literally, bro. There has to be at least 2,000 people in there, bro. That's more than a damn a college football stadium right here, bro. Just doing domino effects. Everybody hit. Hey, the funny thing is that when everybody hits the domino one time, they quickly go on a blanket and they use the foam. Now, one thing I can't say is that if they did do it for charity, because I'm just starting to think maybe they have the same shirts on for a reason. But I don't know. I don't know what type of charity they would be. No, but if it is for charity, you know what I'm saying? Ignore them what I said. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, they probably did it for good reasons, and I'm not knocking them for what they're doing. I'm actually saluting you for actually having the time to do that and the patience. You know what I'm saying? That's actually some real stuff. But if it was, in my opinion, I had to be low-key like it was for charity. Now looking at it and looking at the surrounding for everything. So all props to them. You know what I'm saying? They got the best patience in the world. Hey, man, that's usually, man. Coming up below, it's Reacts next, man, on the road to 3 million.